A thin uniform metallic sheet, a thin uniform metallic triangular sheet of mass capital M, sheet of mass capital M has sides. A thin of uniform metallic triangular sheet of mass capital M has the sides AB equal BC equal L. What is its moment of inertia? What is its moment of inertia? What is its moment of inertia about an axis? About an axis or hypotenuse AC. Hypotenuse AC lying in the same plane of the sheet. Lying in the same plane of the sheet. In the diagram, ABC is the uniform metallic triangular sheet of mass capital M, and AC is the axis of rotation or the hypotenuse of this triangular sheet. This is the hypotenuse or axis of rotation about which the triangular sheet will rotate. So here the length of two sides, that is AB, will be equal to BC equal to L. Given AB equal to BC equal capital L, length of each side, ITAC equal question mark means the moment of inertia of the triangular sheet about the axis AC. That is we have to find. So this is a rectangular lamina, two-dimensional figure. AC is the diagonal or axis of rotation or x-axis, and we can draw another diagonal, that is BD, or that is y-axis, or this is BD. We can draw z-axis, which is perpendicular to the plane of the rectangular lamina and passing through its center of mass. Mass of the rectangular lamina is 2m, and mass of each triangle of this rectangular lamina is m. And if the lamina rotates about the axis z, in that case it will have the moment of inertia IZSQ. IZSQ is the moment of inertia of the square shaped lamina about z-axis. If the square lamina rotates about the axis x, in that case it will have the moment of inertia IXSQ. Similarly, IYSQ is the moment of inertia of the square lamina about the axis y. The moment of inertia of the square lamina ABCD of mass 2m, 2 capital M, about z-axis, which is perpendicular to the plane of the square, is IZSQ equal to mass divided by 12, mass of the lamina divided by 12 into square of length plus square of breadth. In this case, breadth is equal to L and length is also L. So that is 2m by 12 into 2L square. Since B equal to L, breadth is equal to length of the square lamina. So we get ml square by 13, ml square by 3, not 13, ml square by 3. IZSQ is the moment of inertia of the square lamina about. Therefore, IZSQ equal ml square by 3, which is the moment of inertia or m dot I of the square lamina ABCD about z-axis, which is perpendicular to the plane of the square lamina and passing through its center, perpendicular to the plane of the square lamina IZSQ. According to the theorem of perpendicular axis, IZSQ is equal to IXSQ plus IYSQ. where Ix SQ and Iy SQ are the moment of inertia of the square about x and y axis. Now Iz SQ equal twice of Ix SQ, as x axis, that is the diagonal AC, and y axis, that is the diagonal BD, are symmetric with respect to the square lamina. Hence we can say that Ix SQ equal to Iy SQ. In this case it should be Ix SQ, that is Ix SQ is equal to Iz SQ divided by 2, that is Ix SQ is equal to ml square by 3 divided by 2. Therefore Ix SQ is equal to ml square by 6. Ix SQ is equal to ml square by 3, ml square by 6. This is m dot I, or moment of inertia of the square lamina ABCD, about the diagonal AC or x-axis, which lies in the same plane of the sheet. Therefore the moment of inertia of the triangular lamina ABC, of mass capital M. The square lamina had the mass 2m, now the triangular lamina has the mass 2m, mass m, about the hypotenuse AC or the side AC is ITAC equal to half of moment of inertia of the square about x-axis or about the hypotenuse AC. Therefore ITAC is equal to Ix SQ divided by 2 equal ml square by 6 divided by 2. Therefore ITAC is equal to ml square by 12. ITAC is equal to ml square by 12. This is the moment of inertia. Of the triangular lamina ABC about the hypotenuse AC. This is the hypotenuse or axis of rotation if the lamina rotates about the axis AC or about hypotenuse, and the triangular lamina has mass m. In that case ITAC will be equal to ml square by 12. So here ABCD is the square lamina having mass 2m, ABC is the triangular lamina having mass m, and moment of inertia of the lamina about AC is ITAC is equal to Ix SQ divided by 2. Hence ITAC equal to ml square by 12. This is the moment of inertia of the triangular lamina ABC such that its two sides are same, and this moment of inertia ITAC is equal to ml square by 12, that is ITAC equal ml square by 12.